Okay, engine failure during flight, immediate reaction. We will go ahead and pitch for 88, bang 2 to 3 degrees towards the operative engine, apply mixture full, propeller full, throttle full, gear up, flaps up, and then we identify the dead foot dead engine, verify, we close the dead engine. If there's no drop in RPM, then we will go to the emergency checklist. Engine failure during flight checklist. We will pick an airport and head towards it to land. Then fuel selector, cross feed, carburetor heat on, mixture full forward, fuel pumps on, magnetos on, fuel quantity check, and throttle a 1/4 inch. If it did not work and we have enough altitude, we're gonna secure the engine. Close the throttle above 950 RPM. We bring the feather backward, fuel selector off, cowl flaps closed, carburetor heat off, mixture idle, fuel pumps off, magnetos off, alternator off, and then we go and land. Air start unfeathering. We will fuel selector on, mixture full forward, throttle open a 1/4 inch, fuel pumps on, magnetos on. We lower the nose until we gain 100 to 110 airspeed, and then propeller full forward. It should engage. After engine start, we're gonna make sure it's 20 inches manifold pressure, 2000 RPM, until we are hotter than 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And then alternator on, fuel pumps off, cowl flaps as required. And we're done.